In this lab, we will analyze the call center time to answer um, in seconds, and we will visualize using histograms and parallel box plots. The manager of a call center routinely monitors call answering performance. For a particular type of call, the following time to answer in seconds was recorded for Monday and Tuesday of last week. The first three rows of data, which is 30 observations, represent Monday calls, and the remaining observations are Tuesday calls. Compare the distribution of time to answer for Monday and Tuesday calls using histograms. So we will plot the histograms. So first we need a new sheet, and anywhere in the empty cell, just click and click on Insert, click on Chart, and for setup, the chart type, select the combo chart. Okay, now for the data range, we want to select the data range. So let's select the data range. So first, what we did was we'll just cancel this at the moment. We listed the Monday calls and the Tuesday calls in one column, which is over here. So Monday there are 30 calls and Tuesday there are 20 calls. And then from here we want to plot the histograms. So let's select the data. First, let's select for the Monday calls. And then let's select another range for Tuesday. Okay, so we get something like this, but we want to plot histograms for both the data. So let's double click on this line graph, which is for Tuesday. And let's, for format type line, we instead of line, let's select columns. Okay, so columns, and then let's put the title, chart and access title. So for the chart title, let's type call center time to answer by day. And then let's select label the horizontal axis. For the horizontal axis, let's put let's put the day, and for the vertical axis title, let's put time to answer. Which is in seconds. Okay, Let's take this move to the on sheet, which is here, and let's change the scale for the vertical axis. So click on grid lines and ticks, and let's remove the grid lines. Major spacing type, select step, and major step, select 10, type 10, and we want to see the tick marks. And for the horizontal axis, we want to see okay, so horizontal axis. For the horizontal axis, let's see. Okay, horizontal axis is all right. And for the boundary, chart border color, we want it black. Somehow it's not doing that. Okay, so what can we see? We can see the distribution have similar skewed right shapes. So for Monday, which is the blue one, and for Tuesday, which is the red one. The Monday times to answer seem slightly higher on average than Tuesday. And the Monday time to answer have greater spread. You can see the maximum minus the minimum. So in between the minimum and maximum, there is a greater spread compared to Tuesday times to call, times to answer. And Monday seems to be a busier day for call centers because there is a lot more calls. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Calculate the median and quartiles of time to answer for Monday and Tuesday calls and compare this using parallel box plots. So we go to the one column where we put the raw data in one column for Monday and Tuesday, and then we find the minimum, maximum, quartile 1, quartile 3, and the median. So we have so to find minimum, we type equal min for minimum, and the range is from, we select the range of the data, close the bracket, press enter, and that's 4.2. And for Tuesday, equal min bracket, select the data, close the bracket, and that's 4.1. And for quartile 1, we type equal quartile, and we put the data, which is A2 to A31. A22, A31, comma, index for quartile 1, close the bracket, index 6.65, and for Tuesday, equal quartile B2 colon B21, comma 1, close the bracket, index 6.875, and then for median, equal median from A2 to A31, 31, and for Tuesday, equal median for B2 to B21, and that's 10.35, and for quartile 3, that's quartile of A2 to A31 and comma 3, and for quartile 3 for Tuesday, the range of the data is B2 to B21, comma, and 3, and that gives 15.5. For maximum, for Monday, we type equal max bracket A2 to colon A31, that's 84.2, and for Tuesday, equal maximum bracket B2 colon B21, and that's 48.1. So let's plot the box plots, parallel box plots. So in the empty sheet, click anywhere in one empty cell, click on Insert, click on Chart, and then for the chart type, select candlestick chart, and then select the data range. So for the data range, let's select the name of the days, so Monday and Tuesday, that is one data range, and then select minimum, and then select quartile 1, and then select quartile 3, and then select maximum. So we get the box plot here. Let's move this to on sheet. Now let's do some changes. Let's put the chart title. So click on chart title under chart and axis title and type the title, call center, time to answer by day. Then let's label the vertical axis. So click on vertical axis title, and for the title text, type time to answer. And in bracket put seconds, SEC. For the horizontal axis, select horizontal axis title. For the title text, type day. And for the grid line and text, click on grid line and text. Select vertical axis. Select major stepping type step and select 10. Let's remove the major grid lines. Let's put major text. Okay. So what does this box plots show us? So the box plot below shows clearly the skewness of both distributions on Monday and Tuesday. The higher response times on Monday and the greater variability, the spread of response times are on Monday.